Hello guys, welcome to my channel Life at Germany with me Vino. If you didn't yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, click bell icon to get latest notification of my videos. In today's video, I am going to talk about tax classes in Germany. So, before getting into the details of tax classes, how to get your tax ID? Once you enter in Germany, you need to register your residential address in the city office. So, this is called as city registration. Once you are done with this city registration, then after few weeks, you will receive a tax ID automatically to your registered address. This is also called as Steuer ID or Steuernummer in German. So this is the first step before you get to know about your tax class. You need to know what is your tax ID. Tax classes are mainly applicable for employees who is working in Germany. Once your tax ID is generated, the Finanzamt will put you into the tax class. So once Finanzamt decide you need to be in this specific tax class, then you need to inform this tax ID and tax class to your employer where you are going to work in Germany. So depending on this information, tax ID and tax class, your employer know how much amount needs to be deducted for income tax and other kind of taxes. So when you get your pay slip, you will come to know how much money is deducted from your gross salary. So once the taxes are deducted from your gross salary, you will receive the net salary. This net salary is nothing but your take home which you will receive every month. Now coming to the next point, how the Finanzamt is deciding you belongs to which tax class. So mostly this tax class is segregated based on your marital status and your income level. So let's see what are the different classes of tax available in Germany and how this segregation is happening based on the marital status. So the first category is tax class 1. If you are single or widow or divorced or separated, in that case you belong to tax class 1. The next category is tax class 2. If you are single parent and separated, in that case you belongs to tax class 2. The next category is tax class 3. You are earning higher than your partner. In that case, you belong to tax class 3. Then the next category is tax class 4. If both of them are working in a family, husband and wife, and both are earning similar income, same kind of income, in that case, you belongs to tax class 4. The next category is tax class 5. If your income is lower than your partner income, in that case, you belongs to tax class 5. The next category is tax class 6. If you are doing some additional job, for example, already you are working in one job and you are taking another job, second job, in that case, you belongs to category tax class 6. Like this, these are the different tax classes which is available in Germany. In Germany, the main taxes are income tax, solidarity tax, VAT, church tax, and social security contributions. This social security contributions includes health insurance, care insurance, unemployment insurance, and pension insurance. So all these together called as social security contribution. Church tax is also applicable in Germany. So in your payslip, you can see how much amount is deducted for all these kinds of taxes. This tax class is called as Lohnsteuerklasse in German. So depending on your tax ID and depending on your marital status and your income, your tax class is assigned by Finanzamt to you. In case if your status is changing, for example, previously you are single, now you are married and you want to change your tax class. In that case, you can fill the form which I mentioned in the description below, sign it and then send it to the Finanzamt to change your tax class. So, depending on your status change, you need to apply for change in tax class in Finanzamt. There is also possibility that you can apply via online, or you can also directly visit the Finanzamt and change your tax class accordingly. So once you change your tax class, it will take few weeks of time to update the tax class, and once it is updated, you can Finanzamt automatically inform to your employer that your tax class is changed. Then in the next month payslip, you can see tax class which is changed by the Finanzamt. So this is how you need to change your tax class whenever the status of you is getting changed. Now coming to the point, how much income tax is deducted from your monthly salary. It also depends on your income. So from 14% to 42% of tax will be deducted from your income. Income up to 9,984 euros, it is considered as tax free. When your income is more than 58,597 euros per year, in that case 42% of tax will be deducted from your salary. So in general, everybody will say like Germany is deducting more taxes. Yes, that's correct, but that depends on how much you earn. That comes into picture. You can also calculate based on how much salary you are going to get. You can calculate what will be your net salary at the end after all these deduction by using this brutto netto calculator. Please check in the description below so that you will get some idea how much percentage is approximately getting deducted for social security contribution and health insurance, all other stuff. So you need to know about which tax class you belongs to, and then you can inform the Finanzamt that this is your tax class and you wanted to change yourself into this particular tax class. need to file your income tax. In order to file this income tax to get refund, or even if there is no refund amount, it is mandatory that you need to file your tax in Germany. So in order to do that freely, you can use the website which is given by government itself, German government itself, that is elster.de. If you know very good German and you can able to follow the instructions in German properly, then you can use this website elster.de in order to file your income tax. Most of the cases, if you are coming to Germany newly and this is your first time in order to file the tax, and if you find difficult in order to file the tax, in that case you can also file your tax with the help of a tax consultant, I mean income tax consultant. So there are several income tax consultants available in different cities. There is also a club called Lohnsteuerhilfe. You can also get membership in this Lohnsteuerhilfe, and you can get income tax consultant from that Lohnsteuerhilfe, and then you can file your income tax with the help of this consultant. So there are many English speaking income tax consultant as well. So I have given a description below. Please look into that, and yeah, make use of it when you are filing for your income tax. So I hope you got enough information in this video about the tax classes and how to calculate your net income based on all these income tax deduction, and how to file your tax declaration and so on. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye from Vino. Bye.